Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today is Saturday, February 10th, 2024, and we're going to take a ride down into Belle Chasse, Louisiana to check out the progress on the Intracoastal Canal Bridge that has been under construction for the last couple of years. We've been providing updates, not as often as we'd like, but they've finally gotten to a point where the tunnel is permanently closed and they're routing southbound traffic over the new bridge. Northbound traffic still comes north over the old Judge Perez Bridge and will until they finish the new bridge. But today we're going to take a look at that bridge, we're going to drive across it, and we're going to approach it from some different angles this time. This is all in preparation for our National Road Meet, which is taking place next week, and this will be one of the stops on that road meet. But if you're a channel member, you'll be seeing this early. Now here we're going to take a right on Engineers Road. The configuration of this intersection has changed pretty drastically since they began the construction. Engineers Road used to cross Belle Chasse Highway behind us onto Planters Canal Road, which no longer intersects with Belle Chasse Highway. And I'm not sure if that's going to be permanent or if they're going to put that back once they're finished building the bridge. The right turn onto Engineers Road has also changed because the position of the highway's lanes have changed. Now we're going to turn around up here and we're going to approach the bridge from the side. Now we're going to take this back way in and we're going to go to West W Street, which intersects Belle Chasse Highway, or at least it used to, right alongside the old tunnel. And this has now been cut off from the highway. I'm not sure if there's going to be any way in other than the back way, but there's a lot of little businesses and even a few houses up in here that have to be accessed. So for right now, they're being accessed by Engineers Road. Now I'm going to get out of the car and see if we can get a look at the construction site from the ground and maybe even a shot of the old tunnel. Now, as you can see, the tunnel is still pretty much the way it was before they closed it, except there's no way to really get to it unless you're already on the construction site. While the camera was off, I actually talked to one of the construction workers, and he told me that the ground crew is using the tunnel to run back and forth across the canal. But the tunnel is no longer open to the public, so there won't be any more driving through the tunnel for the general public. Now here's another example of how the intersection of Belle Chasse Highway and Engineers Road has changed. For some reason, you're not allowed to make a right turn onto the highway to get on the bridge. Even though there's really nothing stopping you from doing it, it's left turn only here. And they have signs that illustrate you have to turn left to make a U-turn, you know, to make a loop in order to get onto the bridge. So that's what we're going to do here. And now we're going to drive over the new bridge for the second time ever, at least for me. Now we're going to head back towards the Judge Perez Bridge, but there's a road that runs alongside the Judge Perez Bridge, and I'm going to take a ride down there just to see if anything's really visible. You'll be able to see a little bit of the construction site, although there's probably not going to be that much going on down there. So as I suspected, there's not a whole lot going on down here. We'll just turn around and go back and drive back across the Judge Perez Bridge to the north side of the canal and back into Jefferson Parish. So we're going to wrap this video up as we approach the Jefferson Parish line. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you got anything to say, leave a comment below, and be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.